All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. This chair's really squeaky. Anyways, I got some really great news. I did call unemployment on, I don't know, a few days ago at least. And so I saw that pending in my profile, and they reversed the denial. So I was approved for unemployment, so I'm super excited about that. And they paid me already today. So blessings to that. So now I'm on unemployment. I'll be good for a while if I want to. But moving on to the main point of this video, there was a IBEW meeting or whatnot to go over like the annual raise or whatnot. Sometimes there's raises, sometimes there's not. But over the next 2 years, it was voted and approved to have a $4.50 an hour raise. So in a few months, on January 1st, 2022, there will be a $4.50 raise an hour. And that's not necessarily going to be all on the check. I'm not sure how that breaks down exactly. I know some of that's going to go into like the pension account, like 20 to 40 cents an hour is going into pension. So maybe the rest of that $4.10 or $4.30 will go on the check. Or that might get split up into more other ways. I'm not sure. So I'll have to get the details on that. But so far on 2022, January 1st, there's going to be a $4.50 raise. And then January 1st, 2023, there's going to be another $4.50 raise. So over the next 2 years, there's going to be a $9 raise. So if you're working in the greater Portland, Washington, PDX area, be sure to check out the union because that's exciting. By the end of, or at the start of 2023, we'll be close to about $60 an hour for electricians, and that's super exciting. So that's really good news. And I'm sure other states will probably be going up as well. California is probably already at like $68 an hour, I hear, in some places, like in San Francisco or something like that. So I'm sure they'll be going up as well. But for here, that's really good. So I'm super excited about that. So if you guys are in the area and if you're non-union or anything like that, definitely check into it. It doesn't hurt. But the pay is really great, and the benefits are great as well. So if you're looking, be definitely sure to look into that. And it's a super easy switch. It took me about a week to fully switch over to the union, to fill out all the paperwork and then get all that stuff signed away. And yeah, so super easy stuff. But yeah, super exciting times. I'm excited for the next 2 years. This is raises that I don't have to go to my boss and have the awkward conversation of, hey, can I get some more money? Because when I did that before, I got like $1.50 after like a year or two, and this is like $4.50 year after year. So super exciting. Don't have to negotiate any of this for myself, have to ask my boss. It's done for me. I'm super excited, and I love that about the union and all the benefits that they have and stuff like that. So be sure to look into that. That's the $4.50 a year, I believe, is over like $10,000 to $11,000 a year. So within the next 2 years, that's like a $22,000 raise that I don't have to fight for myself. So I'm super excited about that. So anyways, I'm just gonna make this video super short. I'm gonna head off to get the car looked at here shortly, get the alignment, and so hopefully that fixes it, but really doubtful. But anyways, got unemployment checked off, so that's one of the things that I was really concerned about and stressing me out. So now I have money coming in again. I'm not gonna be broke. And anyways, that's gonna end off the video. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, drop me some comments if you have any video ideas. I'm gonna probably do some install videos next week, unless you guys have some other videos. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, supporting the channel while I am on, while I'm not working. So anyways, like I said, check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. And as always, thanks for hitting the like button and subscribing. It helps the channel out. And love to see you guys back in the next video. Huge giveaway at 10,000. And I'm just gonna leave it at that. You guys probably already know, like I said before, but I'll leave it at that. Thank you guys so much. God bless, and see you in the next video, and have an awesome weekend. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Peace out.